Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to make a text image. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your browser and now open a song lyrics. Now you have to copy the lyrics you want to add on your picture, and now open a new tab and type here text image, and you have to open this website textimage.com, and now click on convert and click on choose file, and simply select the file you want to make text image. And characters, cut this character, and here you have to put your lyrics, and make sure to check this randomize option. Image width, you can change the image width from here. Font size, if you want to change the font size, you can do from here. Background color, I'm going to make it black, and show it in, you can select color, and extra contrast, select no, and now click on convert. So here we can see I've successfully made text image. And to download this photo to your computer, you have to open snipping tool, and all you have to need, just snip the photo and save this. So here is the photo. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.